What's the meaning of cardio? Cardio. Cardio.
Cardio. Cardio. Cardio is a term that refers to cardiovascular exercise, which is any activity that increases the heart rate and strengthens the heart and lungs. Common examples of cardio exercises include running, cycling, swimming, and rowing. By engaging in regular cardio exercise, one can improve their overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Additionally, cardio exercise can help to increase endurance, improve mood, and support weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet.